Hello and welcome to another GCSE revision video, and in this video we're looking at the AQA GCSE 8300 series. This is the second paper in the higher tier. It's the November 2017 past papers. It is a calculator paper, so we are allowed to use calculators. And we're picking up in question 8. Which says the table shows information about the distances walked by 120 students on their way to school one week. So we've got the distance in miles, so up to 5 miles, 20 students walked up to 5 miles, 48 students walked between 5 and 10 miles, 30 students walked between 10 and 15 miles, and 22 students walked between 15 and 20 miles. They've got some good legs. Well done them. They must be well fit. Okay, so it says work out an estimate for the mean distance. Okay, so what we're going to need to do is estimate the mean number of miles between 0 and 5 and then multiply that by 20, and then estimate the mean between 5 and 10 and multiply that by 48, and so on and so forth. So what we're going to do is take 0 plus 5 and divide that by 2 to get the average point between 0 and 5, or the midpoint between 0 and 5, and that's just 2.5. So that's 2.5 times 10. You can use a calculator, of course. You just type in 5 divided by 2. So times 20. Okay, so then halfway between 5 and 10, that's going to be 7.5 times 48. And I should really show you how to do that on the calculator. So let me grab the calculator. Okay, I've got my calculator. So how I got my 7.5 is just 5 plus 10 equals divide by 2. And that's my 7.5. So what I've done, I've effectively taken the arithmetic mean between 5 and 10 to get the midpoint. So between 10 and 15, it's the same deal. It's just 10 plus 15 equals, divide the total by 2, and that's 12.5. So that's 12.5 times 30. And then between 15 and 20, so the halfway point is going to be 17.5, and I'll use my calculator the same way if I didn't know that. Times. Okay, so we're just multiplying the mean by the frequency. So now, okay, so it's 2.5 times 20. Well, actually, 2.5 times 2 is 5. 5 times 10 is 50, so I don't need my calculator for that one. 7.5 times 48, that one I will need my calculator. So that's 7.5 times 48, 360. Okay, so 12.5 times 30, 375. And lastly, 17.5 times 22. And that's 385. And now I can get my total by adding them all up. So that's 385 plus 375 plus 360 plus 50 is 1,170. And to get my mean, all I have to do is divide the 1,170 by the 120 students. So mean is 1,170 divided by 120. I'll just get my calculator. Okay, I've already got my 1,170 and I just divide by 120. And that gets me 9.75. miles. So on average, the students at this school walked around 9.75 miles. Oh, per week. I thought that was to get to school and walk back. That's why I thought they had such good legs per week. Okay, I hope you found that helpful. If you're taking your GCSEs this year, I'd like to wish you every success with your revision and every success with your exams. And I look forward to seeing you in another video.